Welcome back to our channel, you guys. Yes. Okay, so it's just me today. This is the Mudos family, but I'm just one out of three, okay? Because I need to do a video without the other two family members. Anyways, 3 years ago, I bought 3 sofas from Lifestyle Solution. I have moved twice since I got these sofas and they're still here. So today I'm gonna be giving you guys a 3-year review, okay? 3 years later, I'm here with a review. How amazing is that? I feel like these sofas are not going anywhere. I was hoping that my husband would be in this video because he has stuff to say about these sofas, but it's just me. Okay, quick story. Our current house has 2 floors, okay, and I am on the first floor. The second floor is where we have our bedrooms, our kids' bedrooms, and the living room and kitchen and everything. And then down here is where we have this extra room, extra space, and then we have 2 rooms downstairs and a bathroom. We are gonna be doing a house tour later on, but I just wanted to give you all a quick overview of where these couches are sitting, because we don't really use them down here. We have recliners upstairs that we got from Ashley Furnitures, but that's not what this video is about. So all right, so let me show y'all what the couches look like so far. I have pillows on the couches, but this is what they are looking like. They're just sitting down here. Let me show y'all. This first floor is so big. Hold on. So this is what the couches are looking like. Just sitting down here. So that's one. The second one, then there's a lot of space and there's this table. So when you go closer, the couches are so clean. Like if you wipe them, they are clean. Like they stay clean. They've been like this since I got them. They're not going anywhere. Okay, this is the other couch. It is so solid. They are not getting soft, guys. They are not getting soft. If you plan to sit on a soft sofa, do not get these sofas, okay? All right, just showing y'all what they look like down here. Pretty good, right? Yep, pretty good. All right. Let's talk about these sofas, right? So as you can see, that is what the sofas are looking like so far. I don't know why I'm really excited in this video. I think it's because I remember how these sofas were when I first got them. I uploaded the unboxing video. If you are interested in seeing that video, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. So what are my thoughts on these sofas? So far, they are not going anywhere. I feel like they're very solid. To be honest, I would not buy these sofas again, okay? Maybe I had a different opinion last year, but this year I am not buying the sofas again. If I had the choice, I would buy softer couches. We do have plans to buy more soft couches and just put them down here, and then we plan on putting these sofas in a garage because we have lots of space in our garage. Our garage is a 2-car garage, and so there's a lot of room in there for extra stuff to go in. We do have 2 cars, but there's still space for the chairs to go in there. So we are hoping to put these chairs down there, and I have not fully decided what I want to do with this space because there's a lot of space in here. I want to decorate this space and make it look really fancy, but I just had a baby and I am not about to be stressing myself out, so I am taking it slowly. I am going to end this video here. However, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see a review of basically anything on Amazon, let me know because I'm an Amazon shopper, okay? I shop on Amazon. I have a video coming up on a rack that I got on Amazon, spice rack with spice containers. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure your notifications are on. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. My husband is back from work, so I'm gonna go upstairs and yeah.